Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Milwaukee M18 18V battery fuel string trimmer. Watch till the end to know our final verdict on whether it's worth the purchase. The Milwaukee M18 18V battery fuel string trimmer is a great tool that will help you with your landscaping maintenance. It has a motor that is positioned in the rear part of the trimmer that gives you a good combination of balance, power, and maneuverability. It has enough power to easily clear a thick bush, and it can reach full throttle in just 1 second, and can provide a 1-hour runtime with a single charge. The string trimmer has a metal ring on the bump head that will help to extend its lifespan. Plus, the cutter screws are made of metal instead of plastic. It has a solid construction with reasonable weight and great balance to even out the 9.0 amp-hour battery pack. The support handle has a soft rubberized grip for a comfortable grip, but you can wear gloves if you're going to work in it all day to avoid getting blisters and abrasions. It comes with a line diameter of 0.080 inches and can also accommodate 0.095 inches in 2 speeds, with the low speed that runs at 4,600 RPM. That's enough for cutting your lawn grass, while the high speed of 5,800 RPM is perfect for cutting overgrown grass and weeds. What we liked: low speed produces enough power to cover your maintenance cut, support handle with a soft rubber grip, reduced noise levels, reasonable weight and excellent balance. What we didn't like: doesn't have a shoulder strap, limited to an hour of cutting time. Specifications: as per the specs, this trimmer has a huge capacity with a 9.0 amp battery that can easily handle both tall, thinner, and thicker grass and shrubs. It's also light and has a good balance. Things you should know about the Milwaukee M18 18V battery fuel string trimmer. Its battery pack gives you limited runtime of about an hour, so you'll need to have an extra battery on hand or a battery charger. This trimmer doesn't come with a shoulder strap. That can be very helpful during the long days you're out going to do lawn maintenance. Features: speed control. This string trimmer has a 2-speed setting, with the low speed reaching 4,600 RPM and the high speed reaching 5,600 RPM. You combine the 2 speed settings with a variable speed trigger to give you control. However, you can't change speed on the fly. You'll have to first remove your hand from the trigger, change the speed, then activate it again. The low speed will help you to easily cut thin grass and to do your normal maintenance, and still conserve battery life. Line change. Some string trimmers have a design where line changing means you simply thread the line through and twist the bump feed in the opposite direction, without taking the head apart. However, for the Milwaukee M18 fuel string trimmer, you'll need to remove the spool and manually wind the line around. Some grooves will allow you to pull the line straight down before placing it back in the head. Edging. This trimmer isn't attachment ready, so you can't switch to a brush cutting blade or edging blade. But that doesn't mean you can't edge your lawn or hedges. The padded handle is designed in a way that will make it easy to trim vertically to help you maintain edges. It has a 16-inch cutting swath that will allow you to trim more grass in just one pass, which reduces your trimming time since you don't have to do several passes to achieve a clean cut, and it also increases productivity. Noise level. A battery-powered string trimmer reduces the noise and emissions it produces, which is a great relief to the environment. This trimmer can produce 84 decibels at low speeds and 86 decibels at high speed, which is low enough not to disturb your neighbors. Verdict: should you buy the Milwaukee M18 18V string trimmer? Yes, you should, because the 9.0 amp battery provides enough fuel and power for all maintenance, including cutting overgrown grass. It has a good balance, and even without the shoulder strap, the handle has a comfortable grip. Who is it best suited for? For anyone who wants to do landscaping maintenance with a string trimmer that has a good combination of power, balance, and maneuverability. It's also a great maintenance tool for both personal and professional use. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and let us know which videos you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.